Hey guys, today I have a what I eat in a day, low carb keto style, and also cook with me. I'm showing you what I make during the day and what I eat. So I'm starting off with my morning coffee, and usually I have this right when I get up. I make this with heavy cream and a sweetener. You guys, I just love my morning coffee so much and have to have it. I'm also just showing you how I'm going to be preparing my eggs. I also am having some frozen sausage from Costco, which is really nice because it's super convenient. I'm just taking 2 eggs and going to mix my cream and salt and pepper and make the eggs that way. I started using this pink Himalayan salt from Costco. I heard there are a lot of really good minerals inside of this salt, and it's a really good thing to add to your low carb keto diet. I'm going to heat up 3 sausage links for myself and then just start cooking my eggs. Okay guys, here it is, my scrambled eggs with cheese, sausage links, and some strawberries and blueberries just to add some fruit, and that's what my breakfast looks like, and it's amazing. So I decided to have a smoothie for lunch because I was just needing something that was quick and easy, and I'm just going to use my protein powder, my strawberries from Costco, my almond milk that's unsweetened, and my new Ninja blender. I'm so excited to use this, guys. It's amazing. And strawberries, chocolate powder, and almond butter, and some cream, heavy cream to add that fat into my diet. While you're watching this, I'd appreciate it if you would go and subscribe to my channel. I am really enjoying putting out this content for you guys, and the more subscribers I have, the more I know that y'all want to see my videos, and it's just more reassuring. So hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you guys be a part of my YouTube family, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content. I just bought this almond butter from Costco, and so I have to stir this up because all the oil came to the top and I had to give it a good stir. I wanted to mention that I'm making this double because my daughter was actually going to be having a smoothie as well. So I am actually doubling this recipe. I'm also adding sweetener. You can add any sweetener of your choice. I just prefer it a little bit sweeter. All right guys, I'm going to blend this up, and this blender is so amazing. It has a smoothie option, and it's really cool how it will pulse and get it stirred just the right amount. I will leave a link to this blender below in the description box, so if you're interested in it, you guys can also shop it because I'm telling you, it's amazing, you guys.
So good. This is so good. And
This blender makes everything super smooth and amazing. It's way better than my other blender I had. Like 100 million times better. Look at this. So much better, you guys. Okay, so now I'm just doing dinner prep. I have to make a marinade for the herb roasted pork tenderloin that we're having, and that has to go in the fridge for 3 hours. So I'm getting all the ingredients out and starting that. I will leave the recipe in the description box for you guys if you're interested in making this as well. It's so amazing, you guys. I can't even explain how the flavor is. It's just unbelievable. I'm zesting this lemon, and then I will be squeezing out juice from all of these lemons that I'm cutting up to add to the bowl. Next, I'm just adding some olive oil. I think it was like a half a cup or something like that. Next, I'm going to just add this minced garlic, which is so easy. If you guys ever buy this, it's like such a mom hack. And I'm also adding some herbs. It called for fresh herbs, but I didn't have any, so I'm just putting in my dried thyme that I have here. And I think rosemary. Yeah, I'm just kind of guesstimating about how much I need. Next, I'm just adding Dijon mustard to the recipe. This really adds a lot of extra flavor, you guys. And then I'm also going to be adding sea salt and pepper. I'm just pouring this marinade inside of this plastic bag so that I can stick this inside of the refrigerator with the pork tenderloins. I got these from Costco, and they come in a pack of 2 like that. And I'm just cutting them in half to put the other one in the freezer. And then in each pack there are actually 2 tenderloins. Alright guys, it is tea time. I look forward to this every afternoon. When I pick up my kids, we get home and we snack, and I have my total tea. So I'm just getting my water ready to put my tea bag into. So I've incorporated this total tea into my diet. It helps detoxify, cleanse, and renew. And it's really good for your digestive system. And I'm really happy because it helps increase your energy and manage stress, which I definitely need. But yeah, this really helps cleanse your liver and just make you more healthy. So yeah, I'm going to get this started and just put this tea bag inside of my teacup and let this steep for about 8 to 10 minutes. And then I can enjoy my nice relaxing cup of tea. So for my snack, I'm having this string cheese and some peanuts because I need a little boost of energy. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be eating for my snack time. I'm also getting this Crystal Light ready. It's a raspberry lemonade, one of my favorites. Putting it into my water bottle. So it's dinner time now, and I'm getting my oven ready for the pork tenderloin and the roasted asparagus that I'm making. I'm just getting my pan foiled up so that I can stick my asparagus on here to cook. I got this asparagus the other day from Costco, and I'm just going to be taking off the ends and sticking it on the pan. I'm adding olive oil on top of this. And I'm going to be adding some garlic as well. I'm also adding the pink Himalayan salt, and I'm putting some Parmesan on here because it's so good. And lastly, some pepper. I'm just giving this a good stir so everything gets incorporated and cooked evenly. Next, I'm just adding olive oil to my pan to get it started for the tenderloin. I'm heating this up, and I'm going to be sticking my tenderloin to brown on each side before I stick it in the oven. So I'm just letting this brown, and I'm going to be adding some more salt and pepper to each side because that's what the instructions said to do. I'm going to go ahead and stick this asparagus inside of the oven because it's being cooked at a lower temperature and it'll take a little bit longer. I'm just checking to see how it's doing and if it's getting brown, and it needed to cook a little bit longer. It was finally time to flip, and you can see how nice and brown it was getting on that side. And you guys, I'm telling you, this is probably the best pork tenderloin recipe I've ever had. It is so amazing. So I'm just going to stick this inside of the oven to cook all the rest of the way. It'll take about 10 more minutes or until the inside of the pork registers 137. And yeah, it's about 10 minutes long. This is my other mom hack. I buy this bacon crumbles from Costco, and I add this to different things so I don't have to worry about making bacon all the time. But yeah, this is real bacon, and I'm just crumbling this on top of the asparagus because bacon makes everything taste better. I'm going to stick that in for a few more minutes to let that finish cooking and to get yummy and crispy. I'm just going to check the temperature of these tenderloins to make sure that they are ready, and there they are. They look so good. But yeah, you're gonna see the temperature rise, and it's going to hit around 137, and I know that it is finished. After you take them out of the oven, you want to stick them under foil to let them continue cooking for 10 more minutes. And oh my gosh, there is my asparagus, you guys. It is so good. My kids love this. They actually love the entire meal. And I'm just going to take my tenderloin out. I can't even say that word. And just get it all cut up, and it's so yummy and pink in the middle and just perfectly cooked, and it was super flavorful, guys. I'm adding this sugar-free balsamic vinegar to my salad with goat cheese, some cherry tomatoes, and this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know, give me a thumbs up, and tell me if you love this or you want to see more videos like this, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!